For those who used to ask me, what is goat meat? What does goat meat look like? This is what it looks like exactly. And yeah, if you want to know what you can do with goat meat and enjoy with your family, friends, and loved ones, I want you to watch this video to the end. You'll say thank you later. Hello, Gucci's team, and welcome back to today's edition. We are making goat meat Asun. So you can go ahead and season with whatever you like to season with. This is Asun. So you want to season it so good. Asun is a very delicious meat recipe. That's when you season it the proper way and get it into that oven to grill, and it grills and you make that sauce for Asun. Oh my goodness, you will enjoy it with everything. I have a pastor that likes the way I make my goat meat Asun, and I did this for my church for several years and they always enjoyed it. So first, I like to blend in pepper, onions, garlic, ginger into my Asun goat meat. Trust me, that will infuse deliciousness into this goat meat Asun recipe. Now I'm adding my onion. I'm going to go in and add my blended pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic, which will also give it a beautiful taste. Now I'm adding some more seasonings. Let me know where you're watching me from. Tell me which drink you're going to use to enjoy this. Add salt and Maggi to your preference. Cover it and let it cook. Let's check this meat. It's ready, guys. So I'm going to just bring it out and put it in the oven. So if you want to enjoy goat meat Asun recipe, trust me, use the male goat meat. Do not use the female goat meat because you will cook for a very long time and you will not enjoy it because it doesn't cook quickly. I like to buy my goat meat from Atlanta store, or I kill goat meat myself, and I like the male goat meat because it's easier to cook than the female. All right, guys, so we are bringing it out. We are going to go ahead and put it in the oven, and here we go. These are the peppers I'm going to be using. I'll blend all of this for my Asun. I have tomatoes, I have red bell, green chili, and one scotch bonnet. Skip whatever you want to skip from here. I'm going to clean this nicely and we get started. To my pot, I have oil already and I have onion. I'll go in with my pepper and I'll keep blending. I'm still blending. For your goat meat Asun, if you don't eat pepper, don't worry about it. But honestly, if you have pepper in your goat meat Asun sauce, you're going to enjoy it really, really good with your drink. I think this is about the last blend. We're going to just add it in. Guys, you can also add a little bit of tomato paste if you want it catchy and you want it more delicious. These are the things I added, so you can go in with your choice seasoning. To my Asun sauce, I'm going to add more onion. This sauce came out very delicious. Look at how beautiful. Pepper sauce is ready. I'm going to go in with onion. How do you like your Asun sauce? I like to make sure I have enough extra sauce that you can eat your Asun with. That is why it's called Asun, because you need to have sauce by the side also. Oh yes, that is how you enjoy your goat meat Asun recipe. Guys, look at this sauce and tell me what you think on that comment section. Thank you all if you have watched till this moment. Now we are going to add our sauce into the goat meat Asun, and then we'll mix everything in the tray. Yes, just like what I'm doing, because I want to still have some sauce by the side that they're going to be using to eat this goat meat Asun. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have watched this video to this moment, I want to say a very huge thank you. I have a lot of Asun recipe on my channel also. Feel free to go and watch them and learn how you can do things to make your family happy. I have gizzard Asun, turkey Asun, and so on. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao.